Prices in Annapolis rose 16.4% year over year to $470,000 at the end of January 2021. It's Friday, February 12th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis. Let's take a quick look at what's happened the first month of the new year. 21401 prices rose to $518,500, up 38.3% from last January 2020. New inventory to market rose from December 12.5%, but is still down from last January by 32.5%. Days on the market are down to 39 days from January last of 73 days. 21403 prices fell 12.2% to $372,500 from last January's high of $424,000. While new inventory to market is down 18.5% from last January, it is up 63% from this past December, and days on the market are down to 36 days from last January's 72 days. 21409 was up 5.1% to $470,000 over last January of $447,415. New inventory to market is also up 63.6%, and days on the market are at 13, down from 54 days from last January. Lastly, on the legislative side that impacts our local real estate market, there is a bill proposed by Senator Elfreth by the request of the Anne Arundel County Executive Stuart Pittman to increase the existing transfer tax another 1% on all properties selling above $1 million as a way to fund a housing trust special revenue fund. The current county transfer tax is 1% now, so this effectively would raise the transfer tax to 2%. The bill goes to vote next week. The proposal states that the county may use revenue from this fund to provide affordable housing for moderate and low-income individuals in the county. Something we all know is needed because many workers cannot afford to rent or purchase on the wages they earn from teaching, retail, restaurant and hospitality, clerical workers, help desk workers, firefighters, many healthcare workers, and so on. However, this proposal includes verbiage that the county may appropriate 50% from this fund for payment of debts and costs incurred for the construction of water and wastewater facilities. And another 20% can be allocated to the county agricultural land preservation program. And then additional funds are subject to the decision of the budgetary needs of the county. So how much of this special fund will actually benefit affordable housing seems kind of dubious. Anne Arundel Real Estate already contributes almost $1 billion, or over 55% of the annual revenues into the county. There are a lot of higher priced homes in the Annapolis area, so our area would be directly impacted by this proposed bill. I am interested to know, what are your thoughts on this proposed bill? Please share it below, direct message me, or text me. Anyway, that's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, February 12th, 2021. Be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your snowy Valentine's weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.